Day 1 in Taiwan.
1, 2, 3.
Ito yung likod ng hotel namin. Ximending Walker. Agad. And then the Red House. Then ito na, the Ximen Station. Sobrang lapit ng hotel namin. Nagpapaka-touristy pa si Joanna. Pero it's fine kasi first time niya. Wow. Girl, right stand.
Pupunta sana ako ng may ano doon, Mr. Donut. May tindahan ng medyas doon. Yung machine nung ano, tignan natin. Kung merong option ng candy or...
Uy, oh. May mga snacks. Ay. So, we purchased this 24-hour rail pass. Tara na?
Ibawas mo na lang doon sa... Ay, mali ako ng natap.
Wala na.
Ito yung natap. Lalabas ako.
So, mali siya ng natap. Natap niya.
Mali ako ng natap. Bubukas na ha.
You have to tap the ano, yung ginamit mo kanina. Other side. So ayun guys, nagkamali siya ng card na natap. Nagamit niyo yung binili naming reloadable instead of the Metro Railway Pass. So you have to go out and then tap again.
Ano yung sasakyan natin? Blue line.
BL, Banan Line.
Wait lang. Wait lang bago tayo bumaba. Mahirap.
Tignan natin sa map.
Kailangan ba natin pa to? Ang number natin ngayon is...
Ano yung next stop nga?
Hindi, Taipei Main nga eh. Pero
Taipei Main yung next. Taipei. Gising na.
Sino ka man. Church pa. Taipei Main. Asa na ba? You are here. You are here. Oh.
Ayan, Ximen.
So, next daw natin is Taipei Main Station. Ito. So
12. Oo, 12. 13.
Tapos,
blue line na sabi ni
14.
Shao.
Oh, ito dito. Shadow Temple. So, ayan. So, ang tanong dyan saan? Songshan din.
I think doon tayo sa kabilang side.
Ito pala mahirap ng unang tanong. Paano ako bibili pagpasok natin sa daan? Ito, ayan o.
Meron din dun sa kabila.
Banan Line. Songshan.
Oo.
O, dito tayo. Oh, ito yun din nga. Escalator. May escalator.
Doon tayo sa escalator. Gongshan Chen hindi Gongshong di ko mabasa.
Ayun yun diba? Dito to.
Bento ka naman te. Bento ka, te. So kung pupunta kayo ng Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall, sa exit 5 kayo dadaan. It's mainit. And then from here, saan na? Saan tayo pupunta? Theater and Concert Hall. So, it's a concert hall pala. Sobrang init. Pero it's much better pa din kesa umulan. Kaya okay na din na mainit. Ang ganda ng vibe ng Taiwan. Parang old school China. Like yung mga napapanood sa mga Chinese movies nung 90s. Ganun yung vibe niya for me. Look, oh. Look. Super ganda. So, ito na yung Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Hindi pa?
Castle pa.
So, guys, may castle pa pala dito.
Performance hall to action. Hindi na akong performance.
Yan yung ano eh, mahirap pagka yung nagta-travel vlog ka and then hindi ka nag-research, walang paano. Kaya ang hirap. You don't know what you're talking about.
Wala, voice over.
Sorry na guys, hindi talaga ako nakapag-research because nabook lang namin yung flight na to kahapon and lumipad kami kagabi. So, we only have limited time. So we only have limited time to prepare, to research. Yeah. Sorry guys. Next time, babawi ako. Wow, kalong may followers. We need water. And then I can press this. I'm gonna get my water here. Guys, nandito na tayo sa Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Super laki niya. Look. Super laki. Ang laki niya. Super lawak. So, a little trivia galing sa Google. So, nung namatay si Chiang Kai-shek noong April 5, 1975, nag-decide yung executive branch ng Taiwan to create a committee para magbuo ng memorial hall para kay Chiang Kai-shek. Tapos, yung design netong hall na to was actually from a competition. Tapos, yung groundbreaking happened noong October 31, 1976, which is yung 90th birthday ni Chiang Kai-shek. And then, officially nag-open yung hall na to noong April 5, 1980, which is the 5th anniversary of Chiang Kai-shek's death. Fairness, konti yung tourist ngayon. Today is Friday. August ngayon, August hindi ko na alam kung anong date. August 8, 2025. It's Friday. Here, ito na, sobrang lapit ko na sa Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Yun siya. It's big. Sobrang laki niya. Gusto ko mag-picture. Ano ang kasama ko? Wala akong kasama. So, I have to take photo on my own. Laki pa naman ang nilakad ko. Tapos kailangan ko bumalik doon. Kailangan ko makapag-picture dito. Yan, dito ako mag-picture.
Tapos isusun mo ko kasama yung background. Perfect ko.
So,
Mas okay siya kasi mas captured yung entire. Okay na?
I need to put my bag here because
Picture gusto mo?
Ay, video mo. Tapos capture mo.
so babalik na kami. Ay, gulo na hair ko. Babalik na kami ng train station. Pupunta kami ng Taipei 101. Sa exit 4, if you're gonna go to Taipei 101, so dito meron ding coin lockers. Yung sa inyong details, hourly yung rate, 20 Taiwan dollars for 1 hour for large, and then for small lockers 10 yen. This is the exit Taipei 101.
Ito yung...
Ayan yung famous escalator for the trend. It's nice. Ganda naman yan. So this is the Raoe Street Night Market. And there's a temple next to it. Ang ganda.
Do you have any religion or
We're Catholic.
so it's okay to for you to go
Yeah,
in?
it's fine.
Is it?
Is it Buddhist? Buddhist
Yes.
temple? Are you Buddhist?
I am here, and you can see some handcraft arts.
Inside?
On
You
the
can go
ceiling.
inside?
Yeah,
Oh,
on the
okay.
ceiling.
Really hot.
Sobrang ganda. You know what? So, papasok kami sa temple. Are we allowed to take videos po? Is it okay?
Yeah. The man and woman.
A little trivia lang ulit, galing sa super duper reliable source natin na Google. So yung Songshan Siyu Temple daw, it is considered as an ancient temple na kasi it was built in 1753 during the Qing Dynasty. Sabi nila, this temple was built by a wandering monk and his followers. And they dedicated this to Goddess Mazu. Ayun guys, pasensya na sa ating camera angle dito because mukha tayong may bypass operation. Kasi hindi kami sigurado kung pwede talaga mag-take ng photo or video. Pero sabi ng kasama namin pwede naman daw. Kasi marami talagang nagdarasal sa temple na to and nag-aalay sila for their wishes. Kaya sobrang sacred na itong temple na to. So I'm not sure kung pwede talagang mag-video sa loob. Pero yun yung mga patagong video na mukhang pang bypass operation ng investigador.
And then you donate?
These are the money or the fortune for the gods.
So you buy it and then you donate
Yeah.
You offer it to them. Okay. So these are money for the gods. And then i-offer daw sa mga gods. Incense lighting. Ang ganda. Masyadong mausok lang dito because of the incense. Pero ang ganda.
No, nothing.
Beautiful. The details. Ang ganda ng details. Look. Ang laki. Sobrang laki niya. Super crowded. This is Rohe Street.
Every day? Or probably
Especially Friday, Saturday.
Ah, yeah. Super crowded.
Weekdays, it's not that crowded.
先准备好零钱。
One please.
Is this the Michelin?
Oh, 4位，4个。
Thank you, younger. So we have this, ano to, Michelin pork buns? Michelin pork bun. 2, you can try.
Oh yeah, this is what I want. Bumili ako nito.
Thank you. Ano yan, girl?
Dried fruits and vegetable. Imbes na mag-chichirya ka. May nabibilan ako nito sa Shopee. No, I don't eat. Okay, can I taste the violet? Nabibilan ako sa Shopee galing pang Vietnam. So kasi medyo mahal. 3 for 1.
Dried vegetable. Ana, melon pan. Okay. Winnie the Pooh.
Is that like wallet?
SpongeBob. What's this? Beef. Chicken sausage. Wow, ang laki ng sausage. Ang init.
This shop is good, but not for Taiwanese. It's like a dim sum for Hong Kong, but not Taiwanese. Would you like to try?
Changge. Non-fried. Kaya nga eh. So, may mga nakasale din ng mga shoes, footwear.
Some traditional desserts,
What's this?
like jelly.
Jelly.
Later.
How did they do it?
Nice. So guys, meron ditong Birkenstock store sa Rohe Street. Magkano to? 980. This one is 1980. This one is 1280.
Plastic naman ako.
So you want to wear Milo dito sa kanto?
This one is 2980. Is it the same? 2980 din siya. Different style. 4580. Ito, 4980. Ganda na ito. 4380. Ito yung uso ngayon. 598. This one, 5,580.
Because they used to have one with one gold.
This one better.
This one is 3,380. Convert nyo na lang. Noodles. So I'm getting one of this.
Near Taoyuan City or near
It's only 1,780. Right.
What color did you choose?
Blue.
Oh, yeah. Maganda nga.
Because it's blue.
你问他要不要脱鞋子试试看？
拖鞋来脱袜子。
脱袜子，脱袜子。嘿，我帮他再调一下
They
这
really
个。
suggest you to
To remove.
taking off
对，
your
我再帮
You're
他。
gonna smell my
not
feet. Because I'm so tired today.
It's okay, that's
不太
normal.
好意思啦，就是不好意思 It's okay.
But it's not okay for me. They're used to it.
因为我要帮他看看这个带子的松紧。
She wanna check.
The other one?
这是 OK， size OK， 哎，因为他这样带子可以。
Oh, because you can
Ah, yeah.
Do you also
Are you smelling something?
clean? The old stuff you clean?
不是可以，你刚才说我们是可以换底，这个。
这国际的吗？还是
According to our local friend, this is the best milk tea shop in Taiwan. Right next to it is the second best. The second best milk tea shop.
The next one to eat.
The next one is the third best. Yeah, it's close because it's the third best. Yeah, it's already, what time is it?
9 something.
It's already
9:31.
9:31 p.m.
Matong mo ko doon. Bukas na lang mag-Don Quixote tayo after shift.
After shift, it's
gala.
weekend,
Yeah,
so
Don Quixote.
this is Seamen Station at night. Oh, si Doraemon. And they are painting the rainbow pedestrian again. They are painting it again. Fairness. Hoggard late at night. It's already 12 midnight. Kami sa Watson's para bumili ng toiletries.